Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making Grilled Peach Cobbler on the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. So the first thing that we need to do is prepare the peaches. Now, if peaches are in season, you should get fresh one. And you want to remove the pit, you want to peel them, and then you want to slice them. Unfortunately, we couldn't get hold of fresh peaches, so we got the ones in the can, but it will do just fine. So in a large bowl, add the sliced peaches, the lemon juice, the cornstarch, the brown sugar, the vanilla extract, and cinnamon. Gently toss this to combine and then pour this peach mixture into a cast iron skillet. You want to set your Memphis Wood Fire Grill to 425 degrees and you want to use peach or apple pellets. And now it's time to put the cast iron dish in and grill it for about 10 minutes. While the peaches is cooking, you want to combine and stir the white sugar and the cinnamon in a small mixing bowl and set aside. Next, we want to prepare the crumble that goes on top of the peach cobbler. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the yellow cake mix, the brown sugar, the salt, and the baking powder. Stir to combine. Then you want to add the grated butter into the mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. So once the peaches are done cooking, remove the cast iron skillet from the grill and sprinkle with the cinnamon and the sugar mix. Then add the crumb topping to cover the peaches entirely, and then set the cast iron skillet back into the grill and bake for another 25 to 30 minutes or so, or until the crumb topping is a nice golden brown. So it's been about 25 minutes and it's time to take out the peach cobbler from the Memphis Wood Fire Grill and serve it with some vanilla ice cream. And that is how you make a peach cobbler on the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website www.memphisgrills.com for more recipes like this. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try the peach cobbler with a vanilla ice cream. That is so good. Hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.